Hello everyone, it's Peter from PS Sound, and this is going to be just a short video, a second introduction of this project, because you could see videos of this car before when we did the mid-bass install, the dash, tweeters, and now everything is out again because we are working on the second big stage of this project. And I just thought to introduce that part, which will have another video. So this car originally, if you remember, it had a system built behind the rear seats by the owner, and we stripped it out. It was two 12-inch Rockford Fosgate subs in sealed boxes. It was very tidy. The owner did a great job, but now he wanted to take it to the crazy level. So we will do two 18s in IB over there. That's why you can see that the deadening was already stripped where we will have to cut. We did a great job at the deadening as well. It was awful to take that back off 2 layers, and we literally had to chisel it off. I don't even think we can clean that off, but we don't even have to, because most of it is going to be cut out. And yeah, we will have plenty to do over there. Eddie has been sweating.
Just a bit.
Just a bit. Yeah, yesterday when you started this, you had to strip a bit because this is hard work. Most shops just literally whack the sheets on, just put it on for the visuals, take a picture, off you go. Yeah, we clean it properly. Like over there as well, it was dirty. Then the adhesive on the deadening wouldn't adhere as well, and we also heat it up. No matter what time of the year it is, obviously in winter you must heat the deadening sheets up. But even in summertime, yeah, I know in some countries they just put it on the concrete outside on the sun.
That's how I applied my deadening in my first car.
Yeah, it definitely helps when it's warmer.
Yeah.
But now we are deadening the whole floor because obviously we had the chance to get to it easily because we had to take all the seats and everything out to work on the back end there. And two 18s are going to do some level of shaky.
Yeah.
So now this is definitely important. The factory carpet has decent amount of foam on it, and the top rubber is quite thick. I wouldn't say it's mass-loaded vinyl, but it does a fair amount of isolation, and there's not that much road noise. Even with the two 6.5s in IB we drove the car, we tested it. We can see that's the outer rain guard, and then the sort of manifold or enclosure we built that has 2 layers as well, and we took it out after a month. There was zero sign of moisture, dust or anything coming in when people were worried about that. But of course we will see that in years time as well, but I don't worry, we've done many of these. So now we're doing this, and now from the second half of the video you will be able to see what we will fit in this car. An exciting unboxing video, because it's not just the subs for this van, but also subs for Eddie, Chris and Eddie, for Eddie as well. Now, yeah, everyone is going mad, but that's just something about Acoustic Elegance subs.
We have to, yeah.
We have to. When we build many cars, we hear what they do, then we know when you can do IB,
You better do it, yeah.
This is the way to go. Yeah, those are the pressure vents. It might be worth to mention it now that you can see that the owner sealed them up completely with deadening, closed cell foam on it and everything. And when people do that, when they block all the pressure vents in cabins, then the aircon is screwed. It doesn't function properly. You have to crack the window. You get to see condensation in the cabin as well on the glasses. You always have to leave a bit of a hole somewhere. So we will also have to think about that. We may make a small hole with just a small grommet rain guard over it next to the subs somewhere, so that way the cabin can finally breathe. Because
we can put a hole in the cone of the driver.
Yeah, true, exactly. You can breathe through the sub. The classic, yeah, screw it in with a big machine gun and then push it through the cone. Cool. So now you can see the subs that we received. And then, yeah, in the next one you will see what we do with this project when we cut through and we build it, rewire the amps and everything. Here we go, historical moment. Now Eddie's virginity is getting lost.
Yeah.
He's getting 80
Finally.
subs. There you go.
Finally.
You had to wait so many years. So we haven't got all of them. Some of them are coming tomorrow, but we have one of each that we have. So it looks like this is an 18, just normal, 4-ohm. That's an 18 4-ohm with Apollo upgrade. That's what we have 2 of for the Amarok we are fitting.
And 2 of those as well.
And we have 2 of those ready. There you go. It's gonna rape you. Yeah. There you go. You can sleep well now. And that's for the TT for Chris.
Yeah.
So that's a special one as well. A very special one. We got the first one-off special. So
I have to see that. Yeah.
oh, we have to see all of them. Chris is gonna be all over that.
It's damaged. I need a new one.
There you go. We may have to share this video first, and then I can find time to edit the videos from the CRK. We don't want Chris to wait weeks to see his sub.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be easier to put it down? I don't know. It's a big boy. They are not heavy. Those are also glued there. It's easy if you put it down carefully.
It's mine, so if I drop it, it's not a problem.
You would cry.
Unboxing video on PS Sound channel.
Well, that was a long time ago. I had one Acoustic Elegance unboxing video. At least people can see how well it's packed. It's that simple packaging, but it's, look at that size.
Baby.
Baby, baby. Christmas is early or late.
Yeah. Too late.
Early birthday gift. That's it. You don't need to open the rest.
No.
You only needed that.
They look bigger on the bench than they look in your car. In the
I know,
Honda.
because they are mounted kind of vertically.
Yep.
If you had them horizontally, 2 of them next to each other, we will have the other one next to it. Then it looks big.
Beauties.
Tip it. Nice and soft. Big. It's a big thing. We will put a 10 and an 8 next to it at the end, just so people get an idea about how big they are. There you go. Let's turn this fan
And
off.
the name of it, PS Sound.
There you go.
When do we install them? When
That's just.
do we?
I can't
install
answer
them?
it.
Of course you can.
Well, you have loads to do. Many other things. You don't need anything else. Just put these in the car. You'll be fine.
Yeah.
Just listen to bass.
I want them installed yesterday.
These are the beauties we love using in many cars, as you can see.
Let's see. the other
John at
ones.
Acoustic Elegance just makes beautiful sounding subs. Yeah, 18 is a bit extreme for sound quality, especially when you have 2, but then it gives effortless dynamics and extension
And
without...
it gives sensations.
Oh, definitely gives sensations. Yeah, when like Stereo Integrity uses their 24-inch, and we had that in Steve's as well. Big cone area can...
I never had the chance to. I had the chance, but I haven't had the time to listen to it on one of the meetings.
And now he took it out. Yeah, well, you will have a chance to listen to Vils when he finishes the Scirocco. At least it will be the same car as you have.
And it's not any different than the Golf.
No, it's similar.
But I do remember it was shaking the car very well.
Well, it was shaking the whole car park in the
Yeah.
multi-story. It was shaking the ground.
So let's see what Apollo upgrade is.
Nice and soft.
Yeah, plenty of excursions.
Excursion. Yep, it's one way. The Spider may look like it's slightly different than mine. I'm not sure. I have to have a look at it, what I have. Because I got mine now almost 2 years ago. With the special copper finish, just to tie it into the theme of the boot. And then another one. There's only a foam underneath the magnet, and then foam stacks all around, so it can't move anywhere. And it
Nice.
holds it in place perfectly. I don't know why other manufacturers don't do it like this. They put them in many cardboards, and then sub can still move and get a hit. Yeah, look at that. That way, magnet supported all around.
There you go. Another one.
Another one.
this is with Apollo upgrade.
Many people always ask us, is it worth to have Apollo upgrade? What is it for? As much as I know, but maybe John once chimes in under the video and comments on it, just to clear things up. I may tell him to comment. As much as I know, the Apollo upgrade, the Apollo plate, is to reduce the inductance slightly, so the driver has better upper extension, which, as much as I know, it's only really important in home audio where you play these as mid-bass up to mid-range, because they can play. Even these 18s can play up to like 2 kilohertz. It's mad.
That's the plate.
Yeah, that's the extra plate, and then John will explain what exactly happens by that. The only reason why we have the Apollo upgrade on these is because this way the coil has just a bit more room for movement, especially when someone wants a super loud system on the bass. And yeah, these will have a bit of blast. Yeah, that height wise is not much, it's just the plate, the extra plate height. You can't see that because of the packaging. It's just the extra plate, nothing more. And it's, to be fair, it's not a big price difference. If you can afford it, why not? But then Eddie didn't have it. Exactly, for you this is already a very expensive investment to have 2 of these. But you know, having 2 of these is, you can't even compare it to a high-end sound quality sub. You could have bought a 10-inch sub, a high-end 10-inch sub.
Would never do the same job, yeah.
No, well, not everyone has the same expectations. Some people are happy if sub plays down to 25, 28 hertz.
Put it right. Nobody expects this level till they listen to one, you know.
Yeah, when they listen to it, they can tell the difference.
Exactly.
But okay, not many people can have the space to fit 2 of these either.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
it's in that way it's extreme. But if it's about the ultimate listening experience, extension, effortless bass, dynamics, then there you go.
Chris, this is
The special.
This is the special, and we left it
For the
for
last.
the end, just so we can keep Chris watching the video.
Off. I'm very interested about the finish of this, because this.
Do you mind if you pass me a rag or something?
Yeah, we can't put that down.
Yeah.
There we go. Because that sub got a chrome finish. Chrome finish on the magnet, because he has a silver card, the silver TT, many people know. And
Acton in the front.
yeah, all Acoustic at the front now too. We had videos of that not long time ago. Even taped up.
Yeah.
They knew. Holy shit.
Let's see.
Wow, man, that's gonna be proper eye candy. Let me pull the back down. Just hold that.
40. Will I take it off? Frog tape. Good quality one.
Yep. Same thing we use. Oh, they wanted to make sure that that thing doesn't get scratched. We will put it back after
For
that.
sure.
Because, oh man. Apollo upgrade, copper finish, not copper finish, chrome finish. Chris loves bling.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, a bit of extra money, but if you care about aesthetics, oh man, I need that in the new car as well.
I can see my face in it.
That's what it's about.
It's beautiful.
It's good until you get a scratch on it. You can't have any scratch on it. That's what we had with the SIs. With Steve's SI, they had a scratch, and then after that, it's just, what do? You can't really polish it up, can you?
The chrome, no.
Yeah, my God.
Okay, it looks good. It's different.
That's gonna be, can you flip one around? One of those. Yeah, the 18 with the Apollo. There you go. Yeah, the 18s have different basket as well. Some people prefer this generic looking basket, some people prefer that. Yeah. They all look understated, you know, like simple, nothing crazy fancy, but what sound. I talked to someone the other day that even if I have to design and build a mega expensive high-end system, if someone can drop 50 or 100 grand on a system, that we've never done, but it would be cool. I would still use Acoustic Elegance for bass if I can.
Yeah.
But yes, when you can't do IB, it's a bit difficult. Yeah, sexy. So, we end this video here. Chris is gonna pause or rewind a few times.
Just a quick unboxing.
So, quick unboxing video plus the introduction of this mad project we have in this pickup. You could see the previous videos when we did the mid bass, the dash and everything else. And now this is the next phase now when we fit 218s.
More content.
More content, more fun. Taking the system to another level. And then Chris is gonna be back soon, I can see. He might be sitting in the car right after watching this. I'm coming, Pete. Because I think it's direct fit. Because we had this 15 in his TT first. The normal, no Apollo upgrade, no chrome finish, nothing. And it sounded stunning. And it was even more sensitive than the FI. The FI has one advantage. You don't mind going mental with it. You don't worry about abusing it. But when it comes to about the absolute best quality, then yeah, I don't think anyone can give me anything better than these drivers. Yeah, SI is another good brand, and they like sending as well. Not that these cannot go loud, but that's always subjective how loud someone wants a system. I can still do hair tricks with 218s like this, so I think that's loud enough. And Eddie will do the same in his little daily.
Little
Daily. It's a
bus.
big daily, a little bus, yeah.
A little bus.
It won't be as big anymore when you fill the boot up with the old things.
Who needs that? We don't need that where we're going. Yeah.
All right, leave it here, guys. Just a little eye candy for all of you. Can you hold the 15 actually? Let's show it from the front as
You
well.
want me to drop? Put the blame on me.
Don't drop it.
How do you want me to
He's worried now to even touch it.
to handle it? Yeah.
Yeah,
There you go. Different surround.
rubber surround, yeah. Now, honestly, I still think that the 15s have just a tiny bit of edge over the 18s when it comes to the finest quality. I prefer the 15s when it comes to sound than the 18s, but not if the 18 was so much worse or anything like that. But yeah, these 15s are stunning.
Yeah.
In any car we fitted Acoustic Elegance 15s, whether it's the IB range, the SPB, HT, now we had the HT in the CRK.
They feel pretty much same.
Yeah, and they be running. They are brand new, fresh.
PS sound, all of them. Nobody put their names on any of the subs.
That's what you wanted. There you go. Okie dokie. This is it, guys. Well, look out for the follow-up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. If this is the first video you see from this channel, feel free to share it. People can see some madness. And then we will see you in the next one. Take care.